So it's a bit long.
That's what she said.
Something like a middle part.
Sure.
But not too like split in the middle. I don't want it to look like this.
Got you.
Something more like modern. You know?
Sure.
Like Korean style.
What did he say?
Middle part, but it's not perfect in the middle. Maybe I don't know where my natural hairline is, to be honest. So it'd probably be
Oh wait, sure. Reiterating what you say, you just don't want like smack in the middle.
Exactly.
Not right here, right?
Exactly.
But you want more offset.
Yes.
Offset. So you want part this side, you want part this side. What is the vision here?
I think more like this. Something like this.
Project. This side, sweet. Anything else kind of you want to talk about here?
Of course, maybe almost like a 2-block style.
Sure.
Short on the sides, right? But typical. And for the length, I think a bit shorter is better just so the cut lasts longer, but not too short, if that makes sense.
What's too short for you? So let's just use this as an gauge. Right now it's at the nose.
Maybe
so, like maybe above.
Yeah.
Too short?
No, I think this is a good.
Above the eyebrows. Eyebrow level. We're gonna take quite a few chunks off of this.
Thank God. It's way too
Because
big.
it's been a minute, because I feel like you have too much length right now.
Way too much.
Having length is good for Asian hair because it makes it bend and start, like you're able to manipulate it.
It's easier to cut, you mean? Or like?
It's easier to manipulate when you style it with
Okay,
longer hair, but like now it's just too long,
Way too-
too
yeah,
much weight. Now we gotta take it down again. Sweet. And you kind of have this part kind of like everything disconnected, or you like it kind of more blended in? What's the vibe here?
Maybe more blended in.
Sure.
I don't want something too visible. And I don't want to make it look like a dome.
Sure.
And then you have just like short and then a dome. So it's more of like a transition.
You don't want like a pineapple head. You don't want like a bowl
No,
cut.
no,
You don't want no
exactly.
bowl cut.
No,
you want
exactly.
no bowl. Okay, sweet.
No,
No,
no
bowl
bowl
cut.
cut.
Okay.
No.
So do you style your hair often or no?
I'm not sure what type of products there are, but I don't need to put gel. But
We're not using
maybe,
gel.
maybe I can
Gel
just
is
like
old school, low maintenance kind of thing.
low maintenance. Something
Spray
easy. Something
easy. You can use powder.
Sea salt, something. Oh,
Like
powder.
powder, that's
Try that.
easy. It's more gritty. It's kind of like when have you ever entered like a construction zone and you've been in construction zone and like your hair gets kind of like gritty kind of thing. It's like, if you like that, if you like to play with your hair, it's a bit hard to play with your hair because it's just that grit in your hair. Sure.
Actually, it's easy to style my hair when it gets oily.
Texture wrap could be a thing. We can use that later down the line. How short would you like to go to the sides? Not skin.
Not skin.
You like to see some darkness? You want to see some scalp?
Some dark. No scalp.
No scalping. No.
Not too short.
Sure.
I don't know,
Scalp.
like half of this.
Still using the machine? Or you like
Yes.
to do scissors? Scissor for top, machine maybe on the
The
side.
scissor on the bottom make it too long generally.
I'll clean up the neckline and the sideburns with like a fade. Then this will be still dark and like maybe a 3 or 2.
Yeah, sure.
So
Yeah,
you keep
sounds
some
good.
length there just to
Yeah,
balance everything out.
Yeah.
Because usually when I see like a more middle part offset kind of look, if I go too short here, it's gonna look like almost like a bowl cut regardless.
I don't want that.
So I don't want that. So
Anything
let's keep some length on the sides. Maybe 3 like a 2. We clean it up, make it look good, taper it, line it up, make it look good. Oh, sweet, cool.
Yeah, sounds